But just to add, I think it's not a gamble. You know, let's not put this tactical move as a gamble. And I'll say it's a tactical move because, A, that he's ready to take that mantle. It's not that, you know, just taken the gloves off and he says, okay, let me bowl, you know, let me have another second wicket. No, this is not the pedestal to try. He doesn't try. He knows that whatever he's doing is somewhere down the line linked up as a move or as a planned agenda that probably the team management has planned or he as a skipper has planned. If you talk about Rohit Sharma opening the innings for India, that means he can play the new ball, and he's a number 3 batter. He can play the new ball, yes, fair enough, and it's paid off. Whether it pays off, it doesn't pay off, that's a separate discussion altogether. But when we always talk about Mahendra Singh Dhoni coming up with some things, it is a tactical decision. Even this, Virat Kohli swings the ball, but he's slow through the air. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a little quicker through the air. And that's probably the difference why he didn't give the ball to Virat Kohli today. Because he doesn't want those slower off spinners or the leg spinners coming from anybody. He wants those seam-up deliveries. And you know, when you bowl in the nets, you exactly know how good you are. Can you actually go out there and bowl in a match or not? And that's what he did today.
Well, the key is you look at the kind of speed at which MS Dhoni was bowling today. It was in that range of about 121 to 125. And he got the ball to swing as well at times. So, I tell you what, somebody sitting out on the bench will be saying, hang on, Irfan Pathan bowls around the same pace, gets the ball to swing. So, well, you know, Dhoni will be saying, okay, if you need another bowler, I'll roll my arm over. He did that today. But how do the wickets fall for Sri Lanka today? Let's take a look at the fall of wickets. First to go was the